Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to discuss in Himrans formula few more questions. Before I am starting your Himrans formula, I want to give one notice. According to NCERT new syllabus, the area of quadrilateral is removed from your syllabus. In last video, one question I discussed here, but that is removed from NCERT syllabus. Then you don't solve that question. Area of quadrilateral. How many remaining of this one? That question you have solved there. Clear all of you? Area of quadrilateral based question you don't solve in this chapter because that is removed from your syllabus. After this, I will discuss your question. If the area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square, find its perimeter. You see how we can solve this question? Solution. We know that area of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 by 4 a square or side square. Clear? Here given area of equilateral triangle 36 root 3 centimeter square is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 cancel by root 3. Side square is equal to 36 into 4 centimeter square. Side is equal to what? We will take under root of this one. 36 into 4 centimeter square. 36 square root 6 and 4 square root 2 centimeter and square centimeter roots under roots is centimeter. Then sides will come here 12 centimeter. In this question asking find the perimeter. Then what is the perimeter of this one? Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. This is equal to 3 into 12 centimeter. What we can get? 36 centimeter. That is your answer. Clear all of you? First, using area of equilateral triangle formula, here I calculate sides, and after this all of you know that perimeter is equal to 3 into sides. Question number 2. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter and its base is 1 whole 1 by 2 times each of equal sides. Find the length of each side of triangle, area of the triangle and the height of the triangle given that root 7 is equal to 2.64. You see here in this question, solution, let equal side of isosceles triangle be E. Clear? Then perimeter. What we can write? A plus 1 whole 1 by 2 a. Then 3a by 2 we can get, na? Therefore, a plus 3a by 2 is equal to 42 centimeter. When we simplify this one, then what we can get? 2a plus 3a by 2 is equal to 42. 7. 7a by 2 is equal to 42 centimeter. A is equal to 42 into 2 by 7 centimeter. 7 6 ja. A is equal to 12 centimeter. Then equal side 12 centimeter. Side of triangle 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and third one what is 1 whole 1 by 2. Then 12 1 whole 1 by 2, 12 into 3 by 2, 6 18 centimeter. First part your answer completed, in which asking find the sides of each sides of triangle. Second part, area. This is first part here. Second part, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Area of triangle, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. After this, we can put the value S 21, 21 minus 12, 21 minus 12, and 21 minus 18. We simplified this. 21 into 9 into this one we will get here 3, right? In terms of prime factorization, 3 into 7, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and 3. You see here 1 pair, 2 pair, and 3, one more pair we can get there. Then 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, root 7 centimeter square. Root 7 value here given 2.64. 27 into 2.64 centimeter square. We multiplied here 2.64 into 27. 7 4 is 28. 2 carry. And 7 6 is 42, 44. 4 carry, 14 plus 4, 18. 8, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. 8, 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 5, 6, 7. 71.28 centimeter square. In this way we can calculate the area. After this, here one more question asking. Third part, the height of triangle. Height of triangle, to find this, what we have to do? We know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Area of triangle already here calculated. Therefore 1 by 2 base 18. Longest side what we can get? 18. Then that is base into height. Suppose h is equal to 71.289. 9h is equal to 71.28. h is equal to 71.28 by 9 centimeter. When you divide, you see division here. 71.28 divided by 9. 9 7 is 63. 11 minus 3, 8.0. 9 8 is 72. 8 9 9 is 81. 7 0. 9 7 is means 7.897 centimeter. Then in this way you calculate all the values. Next question I will solve here. Question number 3. A floor design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. Each triangular in shape, having sides 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at rupees 1 per square centimeter. Then first we solve here. Find the area of triangular shape. Solution. Given that A is equal to 16 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter and C is equal to 20 centimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 16 plus 12 plus 20 by 2 centimeter. 8 and 4, 48 centimeter, right? 24 centimeter. Area of floral design. Area of floral design is equal to 16 into under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. All of you thinking, sir, why you multiply 16 here? Here saying floor design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. Each triangular in shape. Means 16 tiles that is in the shape of triangular. That's why here multiply 16. You see, now I will simplify this one. 16 into under root S 24 minus 16, 24 minus 12, 24 minus 20. 16 into under root 24 minus 16, 8, into 8, into 12, into 4. Now we can write this one, 16 into 4 into 6, 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4 into 4. You see here, 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is comes out, or 1 to 4 and 16 into 4 into 4, that is comes outside. What is remain here? 6 into 2 into 3. You see here, this is also 6, that's why 6 also comes outside. 16 into 4 into 4 into 6 centimeter square. When we multiply 16 4 is 64 into 24. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry. 4 6 is 24, 25, 8, 4. Sorry. 12. 6, 3, 5, 1. 1536 centimeter square. Cost of polishing at rate ₹1 per centimeter square is equal to ₹1 into 1536. Rupees 1536. That is your answer. Rupees 1536 is your answer. Then in this way you solve this exercise and all complete this exercise. Heron's formula, all these questions, how many I discussed, not more than the different types of questions, then you have complete this chapter. Okay then, next I will meet you in next video.